Take a look at all of these fancy art papers. Look at that, all very good surfaces to draw on. Lots of different colours, but all very expensive. Well, there's a great idea to create a brilliant drawing surface in any colour you like. Cut a side from a cardboard box, squeeze out some poster paint, any colour you like, and paint it onto the cardboard. Just literally slop it on like that. Cover the whole of your cardboard, and when you've done the whole of one side of your cardboard, just leave it to one side to dry. And when it's dry, it creates a fantastic textured surface that you can draw on. And you know, the great thing is, if you mix your poster paints, you can create any colour you like. I've done this mid-blue colour, and you know, this surface is perfect for wax crayons, chalks or pastels. I'm going to use charcoal and chalk here, and the great thing about using a backing colour like this is that you can use dark and light colours on your drawing surface, and the background colour, of course, is the mid shade. So here goes the dark colour. See if you can guess what I'm doing. It's a nice scratchy surface, this is brilliant. Takes the charcoal brilliantly. Any ideas yet? This should give it away. What's this? So that's all the dark bits in. The paper itself is the mid colours, and now I'm going to add some chalk highlights. There we go. This should really bring the picture to life. Just gently stroking it on. A bit on there like that. Try not to disturb my charcoal. And keep my sleeve out of the way. Touch there. And big one here. Give it a bit of a smudge. And don't forget the reflections of the highlights. And one there. A few clouds. Wispy clouds like that. And a final bit of smudging. And there you have it, dark shading, highlights and mid-tones provided by the painted cardboard. Try it yourself, paint some cardboard any colour you like to create the perfect texture for a three-tone picture.
Oh, what a really useful tip! Painting cardboard box card to create an individual surface on which to paint. I've done a painted cardboard box picture too. Do you want to see it? Painted cardboard box card picture. Get it? Oh, talented.